x plus 11, this is equal to x. So what is the value of x? Now, we have that x plus 11, this is equal to x. Let's take x on the right hand side so that we have 11 is equal to x minus x. So this means that 11 is not equal to x minus x, which is equal to 0. So therefore, here we have that we have no solution from here. What we have is an empty set. We have an empty set. So what this means that if we have a equal to b, we have that a to the power of 2, this is equal to b to the power of 2. So this means that x plus 11 equal to x. This means that we square on both sides from here, and therefore x plus 11 to the power of 2, this is in the form of a plus b, this to the power of 2, which we can express as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x to the power of 2 plus 11 to the power of 2, then plus 2 times x times 11. This is equal to x to the power of 2. We have x to the power of 2 here and x to the power of 2 here. So this simplifies. And therefore, 11 squared, this is 121. Then plus 2 times x times 11, this is 22x. This is equal to 0. The next step is to take 121 on the right hand side so that we have 22x. This is equal to minus 121. So let's divide both sides by 22. So that now we simplify 22 and 22 here so that x is equal to minus 121 divided by 11. This is minus 11 here. Then 22 divided by 11, this is equal to 2. So here we have minus 11 over 2. This is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x, if this value of x satisfies the equation. Now let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we have that x plus 11, this is supposed to give us a value of x. So substituting x here, we have minus 11 over 2 plus 11. This should give us a value of minus 11 over 2. Let's check this. So 11 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So that now we have the LCM here on the left hand side equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2, this is 1 times minus 11. This is equal to minus 11. Then plus 2 divided by 1, this is 2 times 11. This is equal to 22. This should give us a value of minus 11 over 2. So we have minus 11 plus 22. This is equal to 11 over 2, which is actually not equal to minus 11 over 2. What this essentially means is that x equal to minus 11 over 2. This does not satisfy the equation. This does not satisfy the equation. And what means, or the conclusion here is that there is no solution here. There is no real or complex solution here from this algebra problem. So there's no solution that can be obtained. Okay, that can be obtained from this algebra problem. So let me know your thoughts about this problem in the comment section.